Welcome to the world of Shopify. If you're planning to start your online store in 2025, one of the best and first and most important step is choosing the right theme. Your Shopify theme is not just about looks. It defines how your store feel, how see it is for customer to shop and how smoothly your business run. For beginners, the best themes are those that are simple, mobile friendly, fast and easily to customize even without technical skill. Whether you're starting with a free option of considering a premium design, selecting the right theme will give your store the perfect foundation for success. Best free Shopify theme for beginners 2025. Default Shopify theme, clean, minimal design, super flexible, work for almost any niche, fast loading every drag and drop editor, fresh, bright, simple and modern design, great for small catalog, few products, every beginner friendly, craft, idea for handmade home decor and art shops, story focused design for product detail, simple and elegant. Scene focus on health, beauty and wellness store. Clean layout with good product storytelling. Easy to customize with minimal edit. Best paid for Shopify theme for beginners. Impulse, great for fashion and lifestyle store. Popular, versatile and easy to tweak. Turbo, unknown for speed and performance, perfect if you plan to scale. Very easy for beginner to customize with drag and drop section. Built-in animation and storytelling features, ideal for branded store. Startup perfect 8. You sell just a few products, minimal and focused. Tip for beginners choosing a theme. Start with a free theme like Dawn until you learn the basic. Pick a theme that matches your niche. Fashion, electronic, beauty, etc. Check mobile views. Most traffic comes and from phone. Focus on speed. Avoid overly fancy animation at the start. Upgrade to a paid theme later when your store grows. Best Shopify theme. Starting your first online store or Shopify can feel overwhelming, but choosing the right theme make everything easier. A Shopify theme control how your store looks and function, so the right one should be easy to use, mobile friendly, fast and customize. In the explore the best free and paid Shopify theme for beginners. Why choosing the right theme matter? Your theme is not just about looks, it's effect, user experiences, easy navigation, keep visitors browsing, mobile shopping, most customers shop on phones, site speed, faster store convert better, conversation rate, a clean design, help customer trust your brand. For beginner, a theme that simple and flexible in the best starting point. Shopify offers excellent free themes that are perfect for new store owner. The most popular one is Dawn. Shopify default theme, which is clean, minimal, and suitable for almost any niche. It offers a drag and drop editor, making it simple to customize without any coding. Another beginner friendly option in Refresh, a modern and bold theme designed to showcase small product catalog with clear visuals. If you are in the handmade to decor niche, Craft is a great choice because of its elegant and story driven design for health, beauty, and wellness store. The Sense theme provides a bright and clean layout that highlights product details in a professional way. These free themes are ideal for learning the platform and building confidence before investing in premium design. For beginners who are ready to invest in more advanced features, Shopify paid theme offer extra customization and functionality. Impulse is one of the most popular paid theme, especially for fashion and lifestyle brand, as it provides flexible layout and promotional banners that make product stand out. Turbo is another favorite known for its speed and performance, which is best of and perfect for store expecting to grow quickly. If you want to easy drag and drop experience, is the great option for large catalog and drop shipping businesses. For those who want to engage customer through storytelling, motion include built-in animation and video feature, while startup in design for small product range and single product store, keeping the layout minimal and focused. When choosing a theme, beginners should consider their niche, the number of products they plan to sell, and whether the design matches their brand style. It's also essential to ensure the theme is mobile friendly and fast, as most online shoppers today buy directly for their phone. The best approach is to start simple with a free theme like Down and Sense and then update to a paid option. Such a impulse as the store grow. In conclusion, Shopify theme is 2025 make it easier than ever for beginners to launch professional and higher performing online store. A carefully chosen theme not only improve the appearance of the store but also enhance customer trust, increase sale and save valuable time for new entrepreneurs. Why starting by with the right theme, beginner can set a strong foundation from success in the competitive world for e-commerce. As you begin your Shopify journey in 2025, remember that the theme you choose set the stage for your entire business. A great theme does not just make your store look effective, it shapes the customer shopping experience, build trust, and influence whether visitor turn into paying customer. For beginner, free theme like Dawn, Refresh, Science, or Craft provide the perfect balance of simplicity and flexibility to get started without extra cost. Once you get experience and your store start growing, upgrading to a paid theme such as Impulse Turbo or Motion can unblock advanced features that help you scale faster and stand out in the crowded market. The key is to choose the theme that matches your niche, highlight your product, and make shopping easy for your customer. Don't overcomplicate it. The process start simple, focus on speed and usability, and grow for here. With the right Shopify theme, you have a strong foundation that allow your creativity and brand vision to shine. E-commerce success is a journey, and the first step begin with the theme you select today. Choosing the right Shopify theme is one of the smartest decisions you can make when starting your online store in 2025. For beginners, it's best to keep things simple. At first, start with the free theme like Dawn and Sense and to learn the basic, and once your business grow, upgrade to a premium theme such as Impulse for more features, and flexibility. The right theme will not only make your so take your time, explore your option and pick a theme that feels right for your brand and product. With the right foundation, your Shopify store can grow into a successfully business. I hope you like my video. Please, if you like my video, please give me subscribe for my new video. Thank you.